In our tutorial video, we will learn about unit in AutoCAD. We will learn how to change or how to put the unit in AutoCAD. Viewers, there are two types to set the unit in AutoCAD. First type is very simple. You have to type unit in line command, and after you are watching, there is on third position there is unit. Select unit. After selecting unit dialog box is shown on the screen. There are few options that you have to choose or that you have to set for your desired drawings. In the first option is about length, and there are multiple options are given. Multiple units are given in length, and these options are depend upon your desires. There are architectural units, decimal units, engineering units, frictional unit, and scientific units. Viewers, it's depend upon you. If your drawing is architectural, I mean, you want to draw architectural drawing, you have to choose architectural unit. Or if you want to draw in numbers, simply in numbers, decimals number, you have to select decimal unit. Or if you draw, or if you want to draw anything related to engineering, you have to select the engineering unit. And if you want to put your units, your measurement in friction, you have to select the frictional unit here. And if you want to put unit in exponents, mean into power exponents, then you have to select the scientific unit here. Viewers, most of the time as a civil engineer we have to choose the architectural units or engineering units. There is a little bit difference between architectural unit and engineering unit. Basically both are same. In architectural unit you will see inches after feet, but in engineering unit you will not see inches after unit. The whole measurement will be in points. I mean, if you want to draw 3 feet 4 inch in architectural unit, AutoCAD will show you 3 foot 4 inches, but in engineering unit AutoCAD will show you 3.4 feet. This is the basic difference between architectural and engineering unit. Viewers, now we will select architectural unit here. After that there is option of precision. Precision means how many decimal you want after feet. I am selecting option number 1, 0 feet and 0 inch. Mean I will give input of 3 inch, 3 feet, and after that I will give only one digit for inch. So I am selecting the first option. If you want to give more digits, you can select any option in down list. After that, on right side you can see there is option of angle. If you if you are drawing something and in this drawing there is angle, so you can select the option of angle. If your angle is in radian or in surveying unit or in decimal, you can select option from here. After that there is precision, mean how many digits you want after the points, you can select from here. And in down list there is a option of inch. This option will depend upon drawing. Mean if your drawing is in unit of feet, you will select inch in this list. And if your drawing is in meters or millimeters, you will select millimeter from here. It is depend upon your drawing. After setting these options, you have to click OK. This is the first type of selecting the units or setting the units. Now viewers, after that we are going to second option. Second option is dimension. You have to type DIM in command, and after that on second option you are watching dimension. You have to select dimension, and there is a dialog box of dimension shown on the screen. Here we have to go to modify. because in modify option there are units. Now you can see there is on top of the bar there are many options, and there is line option, symbol and arrows option, text option, mean your dimension text, symbol and arrows. You have to select the position, size and color of symbol and arrow. From here you can select the line that represent the dimension. You can select the color and the thickness of the line from this. And after, in fifth option there is a primary unit. You have to go to primary unit, and in first down list you have to select architectural unit. As we have selected architectural in first type, so we will select architectural in second type too. After that precision, we have selected first option, mean we want 3 feet and 4 inch, mean we want only one digit of inch after feet. After that we have to select OK. After that we have to select close, and our units are now set. Now we can draw a temporary line or a demo to check that our unit are set or not, or maybe there may be any problem in unit. So I am going to line command. I am selecting a reference point, and I have draw a line. Now a line has been drawn. Now I will check the measurement of this line. Now we are going to dimension, near dimension. Now viewers, we have taken the dimension of this line, and this is showing 1 feet and 10 inches. Now viewers, this is how we are selecting our units. Now if you want to select your unit in any other type, in decimal, so you have to go through same process, and your dimension will be in decimal. So viewers, in our next video we will learn something else about AutoCAD. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel so that my knowledge regarding civil engineering can be spread.